Hello friends, welcome to Akashdeep Tutorials. My name is Vinod and today we are going to learn sentence. Friends, have you ever thought about the various types of sentences we actually use in our daily life? Well, actually, we use different types of sentences to fulfill our different types of needs. Sentences may be different in terms of their use and structure, but without having a knowledge of the basic structure, it is very difficult to understand a sentence. So let's get started. Coming up at the first, let's look upon its definition. So guys, the definition of a sentence is like a sentence is a group of words in order which gives a complete sense. So guys, as we can see, a sentence is a group of words. What group of words? In order which gives a complete sense. That means with the help of this definition, we can say that when the words are arranged in a proper sequence, they produce a sense which make a sentence. Okay? So to understand this, let's look up some of the examples. Suppose we have been given some of the words and we have to arrange these words into the sentence. So guys, suppose that we have been given like English, are in the classroom reading and read. Suppose guys, these types of words have been given to us and we have to make a meaningful sentence with these words. So guys, in this case, we have to apply a basic formula, a basic structure of a sentence which goes like this. At first, you have to put subject, then helping verb, then main verb and object after that, and at the last you have to fill up complements. So at first what you need to do is to identify from these words the subject, helping verb, main verb, object and complements. I will tell you how to identify the words one by one. At first, you have to identify the subject. Guys, as we know, subject is the doer of any sentence. So, which is the word which can do something in this sentence? So, that will be the we, the word we. And as you know, is, am, are, was, were, these types of words are helping verbs. So, are. Main verb, of course, main verb would be reading. Object would be English. So guys, we have identified from these group of words subjects, helping verb, main verb and object. And if we have identified subject, helping verb, main verb and object from the group of the words, rest all the words will be included in the complements. So let's do it. Let's fill up the words in the structure of the sentence. Like subject, it is we. Helping verb, it is are. Main verb is reading. Object is English. And rest of the words are in the classroom. So we will jot down in the classroom here. So friends, as you can see, we have arranged the given words in the basic structure of the sentence, and let's look up what we have written after putting up the words in a basic structure. We are reading English in the classroom. So guys, by putting the given words in the basic structure of the sentence, we have made this sentence, it is, we are reading English in the classroom, which makes a complete sense. It is giving us the information that we guys are sitting in the classroom and reading English. So guys, this is about how to make a sentence using the basic structure of a sentence and given words. So guys, I hope you have learned well in the class. Guys, if you have any query, any problem regarding the identification of subject, helping verb, main verb, object and complement from the given types of words, please let me inform in the comment box below. So guys, thanks for watching. Thank you lot.